Thought you were my peace, but you were just a wolf. Told me you were staying down your at her door. Kissed me like a secret, you were saving for the floor. Thought you were my always, you were something torn apart. Thought you were her peace, but you were just as her. Told me you were staying.
Malabo at papunta pa tayo sa sitwasyong alam kung di talaga tayo magkakaunawaan dahil iba ang pinupunto. Unang ikot pera ko agad yung tipo. Iniis ko yun sa'kin na natama ko. Napakasinungaling at sakit mo lagi sa ulo. Harap-harap mo di na akong ginagago. May katawagan na bang gamit aking telepono na akala ko ikaw sa'kin ay down. Tatawagin kakampi pag kailangan. Mga pangakong di kayang pangalagaan. Di maipakita na ako'y kailangan. Di minsan di mo ko inintindi, kaya ang puso ko duroy sa tuwing gabi. Di mo ramdaman sinasabi, pagod na din ako magkunwari. Di natago yung ngiti, kahit na umikti. Wala akong magawa kundi ang palayain ka. Oo nga akala ko ay mahal mo din ako. Sa dami ng iyong ipinangako. Paano naman yung ako? Puso ko'y dinurog mo sa piramiraso. Salamat sa bigay pagmamahal mo. Sana balang araw ay makita mo kung ano sinayang mo.
But you were just a wolf. Told me you were staying down your at her door. Kissed me like a secret, you were saving for the floor. Thought you were my always, you were something torn apart.
Di ko akalain na iba yung tingin sa'kin. Bakit di mo na lang ba aminin na hindi na parehas yung pagtingin mo sa'kin? Para di na natin papatagalin. Sana una pa lang sinabi mo na hindi pala ako ang gusto. Para di na gumulo at hindi na masaktan habang umaasa pa rin sa'yo. Kaya hanggang dito na lang ako, basta sa'yo naging totoo. Kahit parang aking nilaro, ako na mismo ang lalayo. But it seems that ain't you. Thought you will be there when I needed you the most. You can't stay on my sentence, making me feel like I'm yours. I'm thinking of it right now. None of it was true.
But you were just a wolf. Told me you were staying down your at her door. Kissed me like a secret, you were saving for the floor. Thought you were my